This is the Harbor Freight chainsaw, chain breaker, and spinner. Comes in this box right here. It's item number 99835. My brother-in-law gave me a bunch of chains, kind of almost brand new chains for a steel chainsaw, and they're about 3 lengths too short for my saw. So I bought this to make them just a little bit longer because there's 10 of them. So you know, it's quite a bit of chains. And this was, with a coupon, it was less than $50. And the only alternatives I could find anywhere were $150 or more. So this one saved me quite a bit of money. And when I read the reviews, it talked about that, you know, people said that it broke the first time they used it, or just, you know, a lot of different things. But it's built very sturdy. It's got heavy welds on here. You know, you have to be careful when you're punching out the rivets that you are on the middle of the rivet and not trying to punch through the chain somewhere. So I don't know how they came about breaking it, but I mounted it to a heavy wooden block so that I could put it in my vise, because you know I'm not going to use this thing very often. It's going to save me a lot of money making those chains, and then when those wear out, I'll probably buy a roll of chain and start making my own chains. But anyway, I put it on this block so I could put it in my vise and then just put it away when I'm not using it. All right, so let me show you. We'll get started punching out the rivets, and then we'll spin some new rivets on. All right, so to break the chain, you find the groove that fits your chain. This is a 3/8 chain, so I'm going to use that little 3/8 groove right there. So we're going to line it up, and it's the one that, it's what matches this black link right here. You want to get that rivet right. You get the punch right in the middle of the rivet. There's one. There we go. And now our chain is broken. Alright, so now I've got my new link in there, and we put this piece over the top of it. And so we put the head of the rivet toward the back, and then you're going to tighten that up and put it against the spinner right here. Alright, and so you're going to tighten this as you spin the front. Just keep tension on it. Until you get it spun on there. Like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do the next one, and I'll do a close-up of it so you can see it. Alright, so we're going to place the second one in there. As you can see, this is the rivet side that hasn't been spun up yet. So you tighten it against the spinner, and just as you spin, just tighten the back knob. And there's your spun on rivet. I kind of overspun that one a little bit. This one's better right there. But as long as you've got free movement of the links, you're good. Well, I hope that was helpful to you. If you have a use for a chainsaw, chain breaker, and spinner, I think this will work just fine for you and save you a lot of money. I'll put some links down in the comments for you so you can find this. Thank you for watching.